Hi, I'm David, a COVID-19 recovered individual. Many of you, especially the corona tested positive, will be wanting to know what to expect when tested positive. The scientific community has described the corona virus as one that has flu-like symptoms. I, for one, did not have such symptoms. If tested positive, please do not be disheartened, but have a positive attitude towards life. For being positive does not mean the end of the world. Remember to boost your immune system by eating well and resting well. I did take a lot of warm fluids to hydrate. Do not allow, and I repeat, please do not allow anxiety to affect your well-being. Please make sure you follow all guidelines and protocols issued by the government as we did. I would like to appeal to all the viewers that the positive cases are also one of us. The coronavirus does not differentiate between the rich or the poor, or by caste or creed. This can affect any household in this world. Please do not stigmatize, as stigmatization is one of the evils that has come out during these trying times. I would like to appeal to all our viewers also to refrain from spreading false rumor and wait for official announcements on COVID matters by the government. During those trying times, I found peace and comfort in the knowledge that our Maker, my Lord, was with us, and I prayed for continuing healing in our bodies. And I pray that such healings also touch you, the positive cases, and that you may receive the healing of our good Lord Christ. And with that, I remind you once more, please do not give up, for this is beatable. I have beaten it, and I pray that through Christ you will also beat this virus.